In the day, bunnies like to play. In the night, bats begin their flight. Hey, it's Ruth the violin teacher with the Bowhand game, Bunnies and Bats. I demonstrated this on my real bowhand, but your bowhand is probably on this side of your body. Raise your real bowhand. Yes? It's your right hand, if that means anything to you. Yes. And I'm going to mirror you, so we'll both be doing it on the same side of your body. Good. So it starts out with a sunrise. In the day, bunnies. And then it goes to the bowhand bunny with the teeth sticking out over the pointy chin, and one floppy ear and one perky ear sticking up, nice and lively. In the day, bunnies like to play, and the bunny hops all around the forest. In the night, and we turn our arms so the back of our hand is toward our body. In the night, bats begin their flight, and we fly that bat all around. We can even fly it up in the air. Woo! Bats love to fly at night. So let's do it together. Ready? Ready, go. In the day, bunnies like to play. In the night, bats begin their flight. Wonderful. So, if you liked this game, there's a link below to my great big book of games. This game is in that book, and it has more information about it, and you can even download my mini book of games for free. See you next time.